Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to insert code block in Confluence. The first thing I want you to do is open up the page where you want to do this, and then come to the top right and click on Edit. Now, once we are in the edit mode, I want you to just place your cursor wherever you want to add the code block. So let's say right here, okay? And you'll actually see this plus icon, and you can insert, okay? Tap on this plus icon. Of course, you could also go ahead and click on this one right here. And of course, you can search it up, code snippet. This is what we're looking for. Or you can get it through here, click on insert. And once you scroll down, you should see code snippet. Okay, or you can click view more and get it that way. Of course, you can just type it in right there and get it from there as well if you don't see it. Now, once you choose code snippet, you can select your language as well. So let's say we wanted C++, you select that language, and there we go. We now have our code block, and that is how to insert code block in Confluence.